Hello friends, here I am back with the new recipe. I am making today 100% whole wheat bread without adding any oil, without adding any refined sugar, any refined flour. Bread helps you to become full quickly than normal white bread and can control your calories and body weight and therefore your diabetes. This whole wheat bread has surprisingly low glycemic index and can be had without guilt. Whenever you want to have bread, try this recipe and have the bread without having any guilt. Since I am using here active dry yeast, I am adding a little sugar to activate the yeast. If you are using instant yeast, you can directly incorporate your yeast into the flour. For making this bread, I am taking 1 cup of lukewarm water, the water in which you can dip your finger easily. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast. This is a granulated active dry yeast. Mix the yeast and water vigorously. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. If you have no issues with sugar, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar or 1.5 teaspoon of sugar also. If you are using instant dry yeast, you can directly add the yeast into your recipe. There is no need to activate the yeast. You can skip this process when you use instant dry yeast. Mix it very well and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes or until the froth appears on the surface of the water. Here you can see the froth on the surface of the water, which indicates the yeast is alive and ready to go with. For accurate measurement, first take the flour in the cup with the help of spoon and then remove the excess flour with the help of knife. So this is the correct measurement. Here I am taking 2 cups of whole wheat flour. So this is the correct method to measure the flour for any baking purposes. Here I am adding 2 cups of flour to the activated yeast. Here I am not adding any oil. If you want to add some oil, you can add the oil at this stage. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste you can add the salt. If you are new to my channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe before you leave. Mix it very well. Use your hand to knead a dough and make a super soft dough out of it. Apply a little oil with the help of brush or with your hands. We have not added any oil while kneading the dough. Now the dough is super soft and it is ready for resting. Cover the bowl with the help of any lid, leaving a little gap in between the bowl and the lid. And this gap is for aeration. Leave this dough to rest for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, the dough has tripled in size. Sprinkle some dry flour and punch down the dough. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Grease the dough with a little oil and grease the bread mold if you have. Here I am using normal baking tray for baking the bread. I have placed butter paper and greased the butter paper with oil, and if you don't want to use butter paper, you can simply apply some oil in the mold and you can sprinkle some dry flour and you can place the dough. If you want, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds, some nigella seeds on top of the bread. Here I am applying a little water on top of the bread with the help of brush. And now I will leave this bread for about 1 hour for resting. Here I am covering the dough with the help of this bowl. I am leaving a little gap for aeration. And this dough will rest for about 1 hour. So it is about 1 hour. My dough has tripled in size, and as you can see, and now it is ready to be baked. I will apply some oil and some water on top of this dough, which will give a beautiful golden brown color to the bread. I will preheat the oven at 185 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. So the bread will be baked for about 45 minutes at the same temperature, that is 180 degrees centigrade. So the baking is done. The bread has got a perfect color and it has got the perfect texture also. Let the bread cool down for about 10 to 20 minutes and I am cutting the bread. The bread has got an excellent texture and crust. Here the bread is soft inside and crispy outside. So try this recipe and leave your valuable comments in comment section, and I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take good care of yourself and thanks for watching. Bye bye.